Right here, buddy.
That's a lightning bug?
That's a big one.
Oh. I bet I should see him.
Oh,
Keep making! Lightning bug. Oh, okay! Oh my
there
god!
he goes.
Let's try and catch another one. Let's try and...
There's some over here in the yard.
There's some over here. Go over
There's
this
some
way.
over here.
I'm catching them. Catching them. I'm catching them. Did you get him? Yes! Yes! You get him!
Oh, you're gonna miss it.
Whoa. I gotta get him! I got him!
Oh my, you got
Oh
him.
my god!
Good
I
job.
didn't get him!
You caught him.
You did
I
catch
gotta
one.
get
Yeah, I
him!
know, I
There's
see him.
another one right there.
I wanna see him!
Uh,
I wanna get him! I wanna get him! He's way up there.
yep, we'll have to find another one.
Some over here.
Take a look.
Got one after.
Okay. He's got him. I want to touch him.
Oh no, where'd he go? There he is. Be gentle, okay? Don't hurt him. Oh, good job.
Hi.
Be gentle.
Oh no. Here. Let me touch it. Hey. Hey.
You got him?
Oh.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow, he's on your hand.
Oh no.
Oh.
I did again.
Good job, buddy. You got him.
Yeah, good job. Caught a lightning bug. Good job.
Let me get him.
We don't want that.
Hey, I say I saw a lightning bug. Hey. Hey, I see him. I didn't get him.
That's a little one. Oh, look how tiny he is. That's a little one, huh? Look, there he goes.
Ah,
Got it.
got him.
Yeah.
I want to touch him. I want to touch him.
He flew away. Darn it.
Oh, I see one.
He flew right down the fireworks there.
Go. Let's go see him.
Mhm.